exact numbers, Paul, here, but the evidence shows that like a large French fries. This came from Martin Greutfeld's research, who looked at heated oils that comes from restaurants. If you take a large French fries, which cooked in that prolonged heated oil, that will contain about 1 to 1.5 milligrams of acrolein. Again, now acrolein is the toxicant of cigarette smoke, which is considered the most carcinogenic and toxic part of the cigarette, what you're getting from the cigarette. Okay, so 1 to 1.5 milligrams. So I did the math on this, and it turns out that the acrolein in a large French fries is the equivalent of smoking 18 to 26 average cigarettes, or up to 97 cigarettes that are lowest in acrolein. So, and back to the first picture. So the point is, so cigarettes basically, they cause harm, we think, primarily because of their oxidative potential. Now you get these toxicants like acrolein and all these other chemicals, but their primary harm probably comes from oxidation. But that ends at about 6 months after you stop smoking. So I mean, it'd probably be a very short time if you just smoked a few cigarettes, right? But when you consume French fries, those oils are going to deposit in your body fat unless you can burn it right away that day. They're going to be deposited in your body fat. And we know that ultimately, as we've talked about, that whatever you consume, whatever fatty acids you consume in your diet will be reflected in your body fat. And that takes 3 years to turn over. So what I showed here is that this little tiny boy is poisoned for 3 years after consuming this big plate of French fries, right? So if it were up to me, I think that smoking is fantastically safer than consuming vegetable oils, especially heated vegetable oils like you get in fast food restaurants, that where they're cooking these, the French fries in these oils that have been heated for days.